Namaste. Today we are going to see the temple of Sri Naganatha Swami at Tirunageshwaram. Tirunageshwaram is located at a distance of 8 kilometers from Kumbakonam on the way to Karaikal route. Moreover is called as Sri Tirunageshwara or Naganatha Swami or Shambhakareshwar. Ambal is called as Sri Kuntramalai Nayaki or Sri Girihujambikai or Pirai Anival Nudal Ammayai. This temple has been visited by Saint Thiru Jnanasambandar and Thirunavukarasar or Upper and Sundaramurti Nayanar. All three of them have rendered their padikams at this temple. Hence, this is one of the 276 Devara Padal Petra Sthalam. This is known as 29th Sivasthalam in that series. The Tirtham in this temple is Surya Tirtham and the Sthala Vriksham is Shambhakam tree. This temple also one of the 44 Padal Petra Sthalangal of all three Nayanmars, that is Tirunjanasambandar and Thirunavukarasar and Sundaramurti Nayanar rendered their padikams in this temple. This temple is very famous for Parihara Sthalam, especially for Rahu Dosham. Historical names of this place are Shenpakavanam and Girikannikai Vanam. So there are about 16 stone inscriptions in this temple which date back to the periods of Chola kings. However, this temple is known that it was existing for past 2000 plus years. According to the legend, that is Purana, Lord Shiva had asked goddess Parvati to go to earth and perform penance, that is Davam, because she had punished sage Brihi Munivar severely. So Lord Shiva has also told her that to join Lakshmi and Saraswati to accompany in this temple. So goddess Parvati selected this place, that is our Tirunageshwaram, to perform the penance. Pleased with her penance, Lord Shiva blessed her with his darshan and took her back to Mount Kailash. So goddess Parvati is praised here as Sri Girihujambal. Her idol is also believed to be Swayambhu here. So this temple also been worshipped by Adiseshan, who came from Badala Loka, along with the other 8 great serpents like Anantan, Vasuki, Dakshakan, Karkodan, Sankapalan, Kulikan, Batman and Mahabhatman. Hence, Lord Shiva here is praised as Tirunageshwarar, that is Nagam means snake and the Nadar means Lord in Tamil. So that is how it has been combined as Nageshwarar. There are many other Sthala Puranams related to this temple, mainly like sage Gautama was reunited with his wife Akalika after worshipping this Lord. Same way, Nandi Bhagwan, who got attained the status of Adhikara Nandishwarar from this temple. And Lord Vinayakar also, after worshipping Lord Shiva here, attained the status of Ganapati, that is the head of Ganas. The other uniqueness in this temple is when the important event in this temple is Milk Abhishekam, that is performed for Rahu. Special pujas are performed for Rahu in the morning. The milk turns to be, when it is being poured, it turns to the color of blue. So that is considered to be the unique important event in this temple. Since Rahu got attained his sins cleared here, so this temple is famous for Parihara Sthala for those suffering from the adverse effect of planet Rahu and Ketu. For example, doshas like Sarba dosha, Kalatara dosha, Pitru dosha and Kalastara dosha. So devotees believed that by worshipping this Lord, obstacles from their marriage proposals will be removed. Many important festivals also happening in this temple, like 10-day Brahmotshava, like Thirukartigai, Thiruvadirai and Masi Maham, Pangani Uttaram, all those pradoshas, everything, all that has been performed very nicely in this temple. Please plan to visit this beautiful and divine graceful temple of Sri Nageshwara Swami Temple, Tirunageshwaram, Kumbakonam Taluk and Tanjavur district. and get Lord Shiva's and Ambal's blessings. Thank you very much.